Brazil is the most biodiverse place on the planet. You may support this delicate world against deforestation, smuggling, and other dangers. This area is so incredibly huge, you'll find much of your interaction is acoustical, and that often you'll view your adorable friends as a fleeting glimpse in the corner of your eyes. A better bet is to visit the military zoo called the Zoological CIGS, which showcases more than 200 local animals, many of whom were rescued from existential threats. Some of their neighbors include macaws, anacondas, jaguars, which naturally includes the Black Panther. Wakanda forever!
Subscribe! Whooeyawa! Anthronauts!